So we made it to the river. We are gonna take a shuttle from here to the top and then float down. Double decker. We had a, what is it called, shade, but there's a lot of wind, so like a lot, which is actually pretty nice. It's keeping us cool. Nobody seems to have like a shade on there, so I'm like, oh, okay. So we're gonna get our wristbands, I think, and a bag of ice we bought. We're actually in the river, not a lazy or not a pool. We're actually in a real river. In the wild. Nope. Bigger rapids and... Oh boy. Oh shit, we're steady. I want one, whatever. We're approaching the rapids. Just kidding. Oh no, this is where that's the end of tubing, and we actually got lucky because all the yellow buses got full over there, and we got like air conditioned bus for free. Like, okay.